Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool design here, and pretty much what this is a stool that's foldable for you guys to make it higher or lower based on your own preference. If you see this photo right here, show you guys how it looks like when you guys use it and how it looks like when you guys put it away, which is really cool. But for this one, it's slightly different than the other one that's out there in the market today. This one right here actually has like the charging option for you guys to charge the device if you guys want to. So not only does it work as a portable stool, but it also works as a portable charger as well, which is pretty cool. And in terms of the weight capacity that's on here when you guys do use it, they mention as long as you guys are under 400 pounds, then you should be fine. So if you guys turn on the side right here, they do show you guys some specs and features about the product. So for the first photo, show you guys how it locks it together to give you guys that stability to hold it in place. The next photo right here show you guys how it does have the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And the last photo right here show you guys a different height for you to set it when you guys do use it. And if you guys turn on the other side right here, they show you guys some more specs and features about the product in terms of how to use it and how to set it up and also how to put it away as well. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually open up and take it out to show you guys what's included inside first. So once you guys open up, you can see how inside all that's wrapped up, but take everything out. So the first thing inside, they do provide you guys a USB to USB-C cable that you can use to charge the product. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So you can see right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, similar to the one that's on the outside of the box. And then here we do have the product, so let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So top right here, you can see they do give you guys a strap for you guys to carry around really easily, which is pretty cool. And on the side of the product, you can see they do give you guys another strap option if you guys do loosen up. I believe for this strap, you do have the option to loosen it up. So that way you can carry on your shoulder like this for easy access to bring it along with you guys when you guys are traveling or something, which is pretty cool. And once you guys are done, you can put it away. So just like this, and pull this part back to strap it back on. So just like that, very easy and very simple. Really cool how they do give you guys an option for you to carry around really easily, not just the handle part right here. And the top part, you can see we do have two holes. Same thing for the bottom part. And pretty much what you guys want to do is put your finger inside. Same thing for the bottom part. And then once you guys are ready, you guys want to pull it out. So for example, if you guys pull it out like this, that is how you guys take out the product. And once you guys are done, you guys can put it back together. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. The bottom part right here, like I mentioned, it does have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. If you guys look at the top part right here where the handle is, you can see right there is where you guys can plug in the cable to charge it. And you guys can use it as a portable charger as well, which is pretty cool. In terms of the battery capacity that's on here is 4,400 mAh, which is enough for you guys to almost charge your phone for one full charge. And then they mentioned the speed that's on here is 3A charging speed, so it will charge pretty fast when you guys do use it. And they do have the indicator light on here to show you guys when it's working or when it's not. And that is everything that's on the product. Before she tests out the seat option to show you guys what it actually looks like and how well it works, let's plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it, and we'll also charge a phone or another device. So we got a cable plugged in right here, and other side plug it right here. Alright, so once you guys do plug it in, you can see how it does show a red light. So that is how you guys know when it's charging the actual device. If you guys see a blue light, then that means using output instead of input. So red means input and blue means output. So now let's try to use the output option to show you guys what actually works. So let's do plug in cable. Once you guys plug it in, you can see it does show you guys that it's charging. So currently the USB-C option is being used as output, but for the USB-C option right here, you do have the option to use it as input or output. So you can see right here on my power bank, it does show you guys that it's charging. And the way how I know it's being used as an output is because the light is blue. If it's red, then that means it's using it as an input, not output. But now let's try the USB option as well. So let's do plug in cable, and other side plug it onto the phone. So let's do plug it in. Let me see it does work. So I'm currently charging my phone and charging my power bank at the same time. So if you guys ever forget about what the light means, they do mention on here. But you can see the product does work when you guys use the charging option. Now I'm actually unplug it and fully open it to show you guys what it looks like before I should test it out. Alright, so we have to fully open it. That basically locks it in place. So if you guys try to push it down, it won't go down. The way how I release it is by pulling it out again. And it goes back in. And like I mentioned, for the actual product, it allows you guys to adjust different height. So whether if you guys want higher or lower, you do have the option available. Let me show you guys how to do it. So I do pull it out. Let's say if you guys want to keep it right here, if you guys lock it in place, you guys do have the option using that height if you guys want to. If you guys want to bring it a little bit higher, pull it out and lock the other ones. just like that. And when you guys do feel the materials on here, it does feel like a high quality material. So once you guys are done, you guys can pull it back out. Just like that, and it's all set. So very easy and very simple for you to set up and put away. And it's very compact for you to bring along when you're traveling. And the cool thing about the product is that when you guys do feel it, it doesn't feel heavy at all. I think it's about like 3 pounds or maybe less than 3 pounds when you guys do feel it. So it is pretty lightweight. But now I'm going to sit on here to show you guys what it looks like and show you guys when I should support my weight when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product. So let's do open up. Make sure it's locked in. Once it's secured, you guys can sit down on here. So you see how when we do sit down here, it does support my weight. If you guys want to step on top of right here, then it's fine. As long as you guys are under 400 pounds, then you should be fine. But you see when you guys do sit down on here, it does work. Just to test it out to show you guys that it will support my weight, let me stand on top. So you can see how when we do stand on top right here, it does support my weight. So the product definitely does work. And if you guys try to move it around, you guys can still move it around, but it's not like super easy for us to move it around because of that non-stick material that's in the bottom. So while you guys are sitting down on here, if you guys want to charge the device, feel free to do so. And once you guys are done using it, you can close it back up. Very easy and very simple. Alright, going back guys. So nice a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you see how when we actually use the product, it does support my weight. And it's so easy for you to put it away when you guys are not using it. So if you guys are curious about when you guys actually use this, you guys can literally use this anytime and anywhere you want. Whether if you guys are using indoor, outdoor for gardening, or if you guys are waiting in line for something that's releasing, maybe like buying like a new iPhone or something, you do have the option to open this up and just sit down and wait in line instead like everyone else standing up. Especially since the product is so compact and portable, it doesn't waste a lot of space and you don't have to carry like a huge chair or anything, which is pretty cool. And on top of all that, like I mentioned, it does have the charging option for you guys to charge your phone if you guys do want to. So that's especially cool on top of everything you guys get on here already. And supposedly the material that's on here, they mention how it's graphically sitting as well. And if you guys can see for the one that I got right here, it is a blue color. They do have this available in the red and the black one as well. So if you guys prefer the other colors, then get those instead. For me, I got the blue one because I do like blue. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality stool that's super compact and portable like the one that you can see right here. That also give you guys a charging option like I mentioned. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.